lovers. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we dive deep into the world of beautiful homes. Today, I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the captivating world of modern country-style house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Modern country houses style has become incredibly popular, and for good reason. It offers a unique blend of comfort, sophistication, and a touch of nostalgia, creating spaces that feel both timeless and incredibly livable. The term, modern country house, might seem like an oxymoron at first glance. However, it perfectly encapsulates a design aesthetic that marries the rustic charm of traditional country living with the clean lines and functionality of modern design. It's about creating a home that feels warm and inviting, echoing the simplicity of rural life, while incorporating contemporary elements that enhance comfort and style. Think exposed beams paired with sleek furniture, natural materials juxtaposed with modern lighting, and open-plan layouts that encourage social interaction. This style avoids the overly cluttered or kitschy aspects sometimes associated with traditional country decor, opting for a more refined and curated approach. There are numerous reasons why this style resonates with so many homeowners. First and foremost, it offers unparalleled comfort. The emphasis on natural materials like wood, stone, and textiles creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that instantly makes you feel at home. Secondly, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you live in a bustling city or a rural setting, this style can be adapted to suit your specific needs and preferences. It allows for personalization and creativity, enabling you to create a space that truly reflects your individual taste. Moreover, modern country design prioritizes functionality. Open floor plans, ample storage solutions, and practical layouts make these homes incredibly livable and efficient. It's a design that effortlessly blends beauty and practicality. Creating a successful modern country house design requires careful consideration of several key elements. Start with a neutral color palette as your base. Think soft whites, creams, grays, and beiges. These colors create a calming backdrop that allows natural materials and accent colors to shine. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, brick, and linen to add texture and warmth. Exposed beams, wooden flooring, stone fireplaces, and linen upholstery are all excellent choices. Introduce modern elements through furniture, lighting, and decor. Sleek sofas, minimalist artwork, and contemporary light fixtures can create a striking contrast against the rustic backdrop. Don't forget to layer textures. Combine different fabrics, patterns, and materials to create visual interest and depth. Think chunky knit throws, woven baskets, and patterned rugs. Finally, embrace natural light. Large windows and open layouts are essential for maximizing natural light, which enhances the feeling of spaciousness and connection to the outdoors. The facade of your modern country house sets the tone for the entire design. Several styles work well, but some stand out for their ability to blend rustic charm with modern sensibilities. Board and batten siding is a classic choice, offering a clean and timeless look. Combining it with stone accents or brick details can add visual interest. Another excellent option is using a mix of materials, such as wood siding with stone veneer or brick accents. This creates a dynamic and visually appealing facade. Large windows are crucial for maximizing natural light and creating a connection to the surrounding landscape. Consider adding a porch or veranda to create a welcoming entrance and extend your living space outdoors. And to spark your creativity and imagination, here these the collection of the top 10 best modern country house design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Exposed beams. Add architectural interest and rustic charm. Can be painted for a modern look or left natural for a traditional feel. 2. Open floor plans. Create spaciousness and connectivity between living areas, maximizing natural light. 3. Natural stone fireplace. A cozy focal point that adds warmth and texture. Can be updated with a modern mantel. 4. Shiplap walls. Add subtle texture and a touch of farmhouse charm. Often painted in light, neutral colors. 5. Farmhouse sink. A practical and stylish kitchen staple with a vintage feel. Pair with modern fixtures for contrast. 6. Woven textures. Add warmth and depth to rugs, baskets, and throws made of natural fibers like wool and jute. 7. Metal accents. Introduce a touch of modern industrial style with black, brushed nickel, or oil-rubbed bronze hardware and lighting. 8. Neutral color palette with pops of color. Use whites, creams, and grays as a base, then add color through art, textiles, and accessories. 9. Abundant natural light. Maximize natural light with large windows and open layouts to create a bright and airy atmosphere. 10. Mix of vintage and modern furniture. Combine antique or vintage finds with contemporary pieces for a curated and eclectic look. As you can see, modern country house design is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. It's about creating a home that reflects your personality, embraces comfort, and celebrates the beauty of both the past and the present. We at Home Inspiration Studios hope this video has inspired you to create your own modern country haven. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more design inspiration and tips. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern country house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.